to ASTUTIK Jewelry. Jewelry business has taken us through a long and winding road. This experience has deepened our understanding of the business, allowing us to embody every aspect of it. We have carved out a niche for ourselves in the industry as confident experts. Armed with knowledge and experience gained throughout our journey, we take pride in our journey and are committed to continuing to provide high-quality products and services to our customers. Our passion for luxury jewelry is reflected in every piece we create. We believe that jewelry is not just an accessory, but a reflection of one's personality and style. Our team of experts works tirelessly to create unique and exquisite pieces that are tailored to our customers' individual tastes and preferences. We understand that every piece of jewelry tells a story, and we strive to make each piece a masterpiece. Our commitment to quality is evident in every step of the process, from the selection of the finest materials to the meticulous craftsmanship that goes into each piece. At ASTUTIK, we are more than just a luxury jewelry brand. We are a team of passionate individuals who are dedicated to creating timeless pieces that will be cherished for generations to come. We invite you to join us on this journey and experience the magic of luxury jewelry like never before. Moreover, we are delighted to announce you that ASTUTIK welcomes customs orders. Our services extend beyond crafting and include gold plating, diamond setting, washing, resizing, repair, and more. Whether you wish to add a personal touch or require specialized services, we are here for you. Furthermore, we offer assistance in estimating and appraising diamonds and precious gems. Our workshop, located at Jalan Tukad Gangga No. A, South Denpasar, Bali, is where creativity meets craftsmanship. Join us in this seamless blend of passion and expertise, where your unique jewelry desires come to life. Don't forget to follow our social media and check out our website at astutik.com. Thank you, and we will see you in the next video. Goodbye.